Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Market Trends. Today in this video we shall be discussing about the post market report for the day. As you can see in front of your screen, the Dow Jones Industrial Average, the American market traded at 26,870.10, which was fairly up by 227.51 points. In terms of percentage, we can see an increment of 0.85%. Whereas now coming on to the Indian markets, we could see that Nifty last traded for the day at 10,739.70 Indian rupees, which was an hike of 121.50 points. Whereas in terms of percentage, we could see that it rose by 1.14%. Whereas now coming on to the charts, as you can see in front of the screen, the market opened with a gap up, but there was a bearish trend in the first candle, which took the market to its yesterday's last candle formation place. But after that, we could see some bullish movement for the next four candles. Eventually, after that, there was a slow momentum for the day, but eventually in the ending session we could see that the market was very much observed to be bullish, and ultimately by the end there was bearish movement, but to our fortunate, the market recovered and got in green by 1.15%. No, this is something which I have added for the first time, and based on your comments, I shall proceed with it, continue with it. Over here, what I have done is that we shall also check through individual sectoral wise. We should make a check on everything. As you can see over here, the biggest contributor was Nifty IT, who was in plus by 2.83%. Apart from that, Nifty Pharma was also someone who contributed 1.68%. Apart from that, Nifty Auto, Nifty Bank were the ones who were good. But the major thing is that to be seen, Nifty Media was seen to be in red today. Over here you can find the top 5 gainers and losers for the day. As we talk about the gainers, Infosys, BPCL, Cipla, M&M and Britannia were the ones who were considered as the top five gainers for the day. Whereas if we talk about the losers, Bharti Infratel, Tech Mahindra, ITC, Zeal, IOC were the top 5 losers for the day. Infi, BPCL and Cipla were the ones who tried to push up the market, whereas on the other hand, in Bharti Infratel, Tech Mahindra, ITC, Zeal were the ones who tried to pull down the market. But eventually Infosys was considered as the topmost gainer of the day. Over here, what I have added, that this section yesterday itself. Over here we should be discussing on what sector or what stock of that sector contributed to the markets. And as you can see over here, Infosys, Infosys of IT services and consulting was considered the topmost contributor for the day. Now if we check out the Infosys share as well, today the share was traded at 910 rupees, whereas there was an hike of 79.05 points. In terms of percentage, we could say that there was a hike of 9.51%. The 52-week high for the stock is 955. 0.50, so we can say it's coming on to near its 52-week high, whereas the market capitalization is 3.86 trillion. And as far the newses are concerned, the topmost news that is being circulated is that of Russia, which is very much hopeful in launching coronavirus somewhere next month. Whereas the country also hopes to produce around 20 crore doses of coronavirus vaccine by this year itself. So this is a news which is buzzing. So the outcome of the coronavirus vaccine is quite relaxing, and that is somewhere considered as a big factor for the positivity in Dow Jones. So this is something which might be right, might be wrong, but this is some outcome out of it, in especially my view. Well, that's it, guys. I hope you like the video. If you did like the video and haven't yet subscribed my channel, do subscribe my channel, and at the same time click on the bell icon for timely updates. Also, would I request you to share this channel in your contacts, family and friends. Well, that's it, guys. I hope to come up with another video. Till then, take care and bye bye.